Welcome to Wit Warrior. Would you rather closed edition? Please subscribe and like. Would you rather? Which one will you choose? Would you rather? Would you rather? This one or this one? Would you rather? Please choose one. Would you rather wear a suit or wear a casual? Would you rather wear vintage clothes or wear futuristic? Would you rather only wear leather? I think I will choose. Would you rather always wear shoes or barefoot? Would you rather wear pajama or wear formal? Would you rather wear a hat or never wear a hat again? Would you rather wear clothes made of silk or wool? Would you rather? Which one will you choose? I think I will strip. Would you rather? We choose. Would you rather? Would you rather wear clothes to size too big, wear clothes to size too small? Would you rather wear superhero or wear historical costume? Would you rather wear raincoat or carry umbrella always? Would you rather wear only animal print or only floral print? Would you rather wear high heels or flat shoes? Which one? Would you rather wear a cap or wear a hood? Would you rather? Which one will you choose? Would you rather wear shorts in winter or wear coat in summer? Would you rather? Please choose one. Would you rather? Would you rather wear clothes with no pocket, wear clothes with too many pockets? Would you rather only wear clothes with your favorite color? I think I will be choose. Would you rather always wear sunglasses? Or do you rather? Which one will you choose? Would you rather? Please choose one. Would you rather? Would you rather? Would you rather second-hand clothes or brand new clothes? Would you rather only wear clothes made by yourself, made by others? Would you rather wear pajama to work or wear bathing suit to work? Would you rather wear socks with sandal or wear shoes without socks? Would you rather would you rather would you rather wear hat indoors, wear sunglasses indoors? Would you rather would you rather which one will you choose? Would you rather always wear fur or always wear feathers? Would you rather only wear traditional culture attire or modern clothes? Would you rather would you rather would you rather wear wet clothes or wear dirty clothes? Which one will you choose? Would you rather would you rather wear clothes of metal, wear clothes made of glass? Would you rather would you rather would you rather wear mismatched socks, wear mismatched shoes? Would you rather would you rather would you rather wear a wedding dress, wear a clown costume every day? Would you rather would you rather which one will you choose? Would you rather would you rather zebra print or tiger print? Would you rather white color or colorful clothes?